I'm going to make a Tomatillo Salsa that I saw online on an Instagram account that I can't remember, so I'll just put it in text on this thing. And it really, really is good, and it's really simple. So here's the ingredients. Basically, you've got 500 grams, which I think is really close to a pound of tomatillos, salt to taste, but that, and then you need like 1/8 of a cup of olive oil. 4 jalapenos, a half a white onion, the whole clump of cilantro, and 2 large garlic cloves. I didn't have 2 large ones, so I took some smaller ones. So basically, you just put them all in the blender and get them to be a nice, smooth texture without a lot of chunks. I'm going to start off by just cutting the tomatillos in half so they'll blend better. And you use the whole thing, you don't seed them or anything. And the first time Marianne and I made this, Marianne mostly, it was so good, and we'd never been able to make a good salsa before. It just always seemed to be missing something. But this is stunning. All right, and I'm going to, at this point, I'm going to put in the olive oil too. And I'll put in the salt too, which is, I'm using kosher salt. And the onion, I'm going to cut that up a little bit too so it blends easier. And then I might have to blend it a little bit so it'll go down if it blends. We'll see. And voila, we have room again. Put in some jalapenos. I'm going to put in, it calls for 4. Last time we did it with this batch of jalapenos, and they didn't seem quite spicy. You don't seed them or anything. You just put them all in. And so I'm going to put in basically 4 1/4 because I had a little one left over. And then I'll blend this too. Make some more room. All right. At this point, I'm going to put in the garlic and the cilantro, which you don't take the stems off. You leave them all together. Put it all in there. I'm going to have to probably do it in stages. Get in there, you. Textures look right. That is amazing. Check this out. That's the salsa, and I think it's restaurant quality. It's amazing.